Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing number 163. Let's start with this box here. We're missing a 2 and an 8. We've got an 8 here. So 2, 8. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5 and 8. We've got an 8 here. So 5, 8. For this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're missing 8 and 9. We've got an 8 here. So 9 and 8. For this box, we're missing 3, 7, and 8. We've got a 3 here and a 7 here. So this is our 8. And that 7 makes this our 3, 7. For this column, then we're missing a 6. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 3. We've got a 2 and 3 here, so this is our 1, a 3 here, so this is our 2 and 3. To finish out this box, we're missing a 3. For this box, we're missing 1, 4, and 9. We've got a 1 and 4 here, so this is our 9, but no other help. So 1, 4, 1, 4. For this row, we're missing 2, 5, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 2, 5. No help here, so 2, 5, 8. And an 8 here, so 2, 5. That means the only place our 8 can be is here. For this bottom row, we're missing 1 and 5, and I don't see any help. So 1, 5, 1, 5. For this row, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 2 there. So 4 and 2. For this row, we're missing a 1 and a 4. We've got a 1 here. So 4 and 1. For this box now, we're missing 7, 8, and 9. We've got a 7 and 8 here, so this is our 9. 7 here, so this is our 8 and 7. For this column now, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 3, 9. For this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 5, 6. That 5 comes up here, makes this our 2 and 5. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 4, and I don't see any help. So 1, 4, 1, 4. For this column, looks like we're missing a 2 and a 6. We've got a 2 here, so this is our 6 and 2. This column, we're missing 1 and 4. For this column, we're still missing 1 and 4. This column is missing 1, 4, and 5. And I don't see any help, so 1, 4, 5. Same with this column, 1, 4, and 5. All right, we are stuck again. So we will just try plugging in. Let's start here. If we make this our 1, this is our 4. This 1 makes this our 4. That 4 makes this our 1. 4, 1. And we have a mistake somewhere. We need a 3 in this box and this row. But if we put a 3 there, so we've got 2 4s here. So that's what happened. All right. Well, that'll do it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a very good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for our next puzzle.